Welcome to the Tune Project. Today I'll be teaching you how to play the tune Sourwood Mountain on the fiddle, so stay tuned. If you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up below so that it can reach more people, and if you're not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I post videos just like this one regularly here, so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss when I post a new video. As always, the timestamps are listed below if you'd like to skip around, and you can always adjust the speed in your video settings. And if you're interested in learning the version of the tune you heard just a minute ago with some added double stops and ornaments, be sure to check out the extended tutorial over on Patreon. Now grab your fiddle and let's get into it. Alright, so for this one we're in the key of A major and the form is A-A-B-B, and the first phrase starts on an open A and it goes like this. So we have a little bit of back and forth between some of those notes there, back and forth between open A and C sharp to start, and then F sharp and E later in the phrase. Second phrase goes like this. Okay, so starting on open E there, and then we made our way down to open A once again. And the next phrase is the exact same as the first phrase, so hopefully you recognize these notes. And then, wouldn't you know it, the fourth phrase of this A part is the same as the second phrase. And as I said, the form of this tune is A-A-B-B, so once you're done playing that A section, you would go back and play it once again. So why don't we go ahead and play everything we just learned together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now moving on to this B section, we're starting on open A once again, but we are coming down to the D string here in this first phrase, and it goes like this. Okay, so we pulled a few notes on the D string into that phrase. Hopefully you caught those. And then this next phrase of the B section also starts on open A, and it goes like this. Okay, so that time we had one note on the D string, and just be sure to get your third finger high enough so that it reaches that G sharp. And our third phrase of the B part is the same as the first phrase, and it goes like this, just as a reminder. Okay, and then last but not least, our last phrase of the B part is not the same as the second phrase of the B part like you might have predicted, but instead it goes like this. Okay, so we're starting and ending on open A there, and we have that little hop up to the E string for that open E. So now, just like we did for the A part, let's go ahead and play that B part together. 1, 2, 3. Well, there you have it. That is all of Sourwood Mountain. I really hope you enjoyed learning that one with me today. If you did, again, please give it a thumbs up below. And as I said earlier, if you're interested in digging a little deeper into this tune and adding some double stops, making it sound a little bit more fiddly and interesting, definitely join us over on Patreon for that extended. And if you'd like to take a look at the sheet music for this tune, maybe learn a little bit better with notes in front of you, I do have an arrangement over on my website, and the link for that is in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Happy practicing. Many of the tunes that I teach here on the Tune Project are selected by my Patreon members, so if you'd like to have a say in the tunes that are featured on this channel, consider joining us on Patreon.